How to post carousel on Pinterest. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to post your very own carousel on your Pinterest page or your Pinterest account. The first things first, what I would suggest to you is that you upload your design in Canva or you create your design in Canva in the first place. By doing that, you will be able to easily set up pages just like this one. You can set up pagination on what design goes on the first page, second page, third page, and so on and so forth. Having this system or having this set up will allow you to have a carousel-like movement on the different images once you have shared it on a specific platform. Now you might ask, how do I share it from Canva then? Simply click on Share on the top right, scroll down a bit, look over here under Downloads, there's an option Share on Social, and as you can see, voila, Pinterest is part of those options that you could share your design or your Canva post to. As long as your Pinterest account is logged into your browser, it will either automatically upload or there will be some setup that you need to do, but through here you will be able to upload it to your Pinterest. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.